Welcome to Fresno Tap Recycling. Today we have a 2002 Mitsubishi Galant. We purchased this off the street, so there's really not much damage to it. There's a big dent near the center of the bumper, the front bumper. Hood has paint damage to it. Fender looks good on the driver's side. Driver's side front door looks okay. The rear driver's side door has some dings and scratches on it. Quarter panel is the same condition. Still usable though. It's got a few dings. Rear bumper has paint damage to it. Trunk lid looks okay. Quarter panel on the passenger side has some paint damage. It's got a dent right above the wheel. The rear passenger door looks okay. Front passenger door looks good. Fender's no good on this side. The motor still sits complete in the vehicle, but isn't any good. That's why the car was sold to us. The driver's side door panel looks to be in okay condition. A little staining on the speaker cover, nothing major. Dashboard isn't going to be any good. Has a lot of ripping all over it. Other door panel has some staining on it. Front, driver's side, and passenger seats are okay. Got some staining on them and some wear. The rear driver's side door panel is in really good condition. The passenger side rear door panel has some staining, but in decent condition also. Rear seats have a lot of staining on them.